Meron tayong tatlong rules na kailangan tandaan sa pag-a-add at pagsusubtract ng similar fractions. Pag sinabi natin similar fractions, ayun yung mga fractions na may parehas na denominator. So, ang unang step ay to add or subtract the numerators. Pangalawa ay to copy the denominator. At ang pangatlo ay to get its lowest term if necessary. Masasabi natin na ang fraction ay nasa lowest term na kapag wala na silang GCF na tinatawag or greatest common factor. O kaya naman sa madaling salita, kapag wala ng number na parehas na pwedeng ma-divide sa numerator at denominator. Proceed na tayo sa examples. So sa number 1, 1/3 plus 1/3. So since similar fractions sila, we can now add the numerators. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. And then copy natin yung 3 na denominator nila. So the answer is 2/3. And then mapapansin nyo kasi wala nang number na pwedeng ma-divide sa parehas na 2 at sa 3. Kaya ayan na yung simplest form. Sa pangalawang example, 4/8 plus 2/8. So add the numerators. 4 plus 2, that is 6. And then kopyahin natin yung 8 na denominator nila. Ngayon, mapapansin nyo, yung 6 tsaka 8, pwede silang parehas na ma-divide sa 2. Kaya, ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya naka-simplest form. So, i-divide natin sa 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Then, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So, 3/4, wala nang number na pwedeng ma-divide. So, ayan na yung simplest form. Next naman, 5 and 6 over 11 plus 2 and 1 over 11 plus 4 and 3 11th. So, unahin muna natin yung mga whole numbers. So, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 4, that is 11. And then, proceed na tayo doon sa numerators. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 3, that is 10. And then, copy 11 na denominator nila. So, ang answer ay 11 and 10 11th at ayun na rin yung simplest form. Sa subtraction naman tayo. 18 over 20 minus 2 over 20. So, since subtraction na, ibig sabihin, isusubtract na natin yung numerators nila. 18 minus 2, that is 16. And then, over 20, since yun yung denominator nila. Then, mapapansin nyo, hindi pa yan naka-simplest form. Ngayon, kapag in case na hindi mo pa alam yung GCF nila or yung greatest common factor nila, pwede ka naman mag-start sa any number na alam mo, basta pwedeng ma-divide sa parehas na numerator at denominator. And then, ulit-ulitin mo lang yung process hanggang bumagsak ka na dun sa pinaka-simplest form or yung fraction na wala nang pwedeng ma-divide na number sa parehas na numerator at denominator. So, kagaya niyan yung 16 over 20. So, let us assume na hindi pa natin alam yung greatest common factor niya. So, start tayo sa 2. So, 16 divided by 2, that is 8. And then, 20 divided by 2, that is 10. And then, yung 8 over 10, dyan mo mapapansin na pwede pa pala siyang ma-divide ulit sa 2. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya naka-simplest form. So, i-divide pa natin. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. And then, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. And then, ang final answer na is 4/5. Pangalawang example, 6 over 7 minus 1 over 7. So, madaling example lang naman yan. So, 6 minus 1, that is 5. And then, over 7. And since wala nang number na ma-divide sa kanila, naka-simplest form na rin yan. So, that is the final answer. Last example, 10 and 13 over 16 minus 1 and 7 over 16 minus 2 and 2 over 16. So, unahin muna natin yung mga whole numbers. So, 10 minus 1, that is 9. Minus 2, that is 7. And then, yung numerators na tayo. 13 minus 7, that is 6. Then, 6 minus 2, that is 4. And then, copy 16 na denominator nila. Kaya, ang sagot ay 7 and 4 over 16. And then, mapapansin nyo, yung 4 at saka 16, pwede silang ma-divide sa 4. So, 4 divided by 4, that is 1. And then, 16 divided by 4, that is 4. So, 1/4 yung simplified form ng fraction natin. So, ang final answer natin is 7 and 1/4.